Help support the companies that support our community. I sanded and finished the whole box with Doctors Walnut Oil. And then after I got it parted off, I made a jam chuck to turn it around and finish the bottom. It was a little bit too small on the tenon, so I wrapped painter's tape around it and to give it a nice tight fit and clean that up and finish sanding that. But I really like the way it came out. It's 5 inches tall, or 5 inches in diameter and 4 inches tall. But I love turning boxes, and just when I first started turning, this was what I got into, was lidded boxes. I actually used to sell them in some galleries here in Oregon, but I have always loved doing that. The inlay, so it's Viper green. We just had a little bit, and so that's why I put in the mother of pearl first to kind of fill the groove in a little bit. But it turned out really nice. You can see the mother of pearl and that Viper green. It's super cool, and it just reflects the light. You see some reds and oranges in there too. But fun project. Love doing boxes. The door here, I didn't have any other place to put it. We're redoing the laundry room. I had this door came out of a bar my grandpa used to work in, and we got it a few years ago, and we're going to put it in the laundry room, but I had to add on 5 inches to the bottom of it, so we're getting all that set up. If you don't follow us on Instagram, I will have a link down below in the description. Go over there and check it out, and you can see some update pictures I've been posting over there, the laundry room and different things. All right, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.